Have you ever discussed your dreams of becoming financially free through trading with your coworkers, friends, or family and received backlash? They might have told you that trading is gambling and that it's impossible to escape the rat race only through trading, and that no one makes a career in the markets. I can see why many would think this, not because it's true, but because of what trading has now been associated with. Today, you look around and this industry is oversaturated with trading educators and gurus who set others up to fail with false hopes and empty promises. You've probably seen the flashy cars and lavish lifestyles being flexed online and sold to you with the headline, "I made all this money day trading and you can too." It's easy to fall into this trap, and it's what fuels the statistic of 95% failing in trading. What if I told you that consistent profitability in trading is sustainable, and that to set yourself up to win, you first need to have the right mindset, and that's where everyone else is getting it wrong. 4 years ago, I jumped into the markets with all the incorrect habits you are likely struggling with right now. I was the stereotypical trader that gambled, had no protocols, and didn't give even the slightest attention to risk management, and I paid for it as a result. I can choose to blame the poor guidance I was receiving from other unprofitable educators, but instead I take accountability, and I'm glad I was able to see it through to the other side. Understanding the reality of this industry would have saved me years of loss and pain on my journey to consistent profitability. I had to learn the hard way about what it truly takes to find success with my trading, and today I want to share with you how you can find success in such a ruthless industry where 95% are sent home packing, never to return. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the mindset that has made me a consistently profitable trader. You will know how to overcome the pitfalls that most traders fall victim to, and know how to become a more professionally minded trader. This is something that I wish someone would have told me when I first started trading. But regardless of whether it's your first month or you're going on year 8, what I'm about to share will be the paradigm shift for how you view trading and what is truly possible. Everywhere you look, you see get-rich-quick schemes, claims of special secret to the markets with a simple concept or indicator, or trading influencers only sharing wins but never the opposite side of the sword. This poisons the perception of traders and creates a disconnect, which is the reason for most failing, because they're focusing on the wrong things. Aspiring traders learn this garbage and truly believe that there are 100% win rate strategies that don't lose. They end up always chasing the next shiny object and never learn how to be disciplined because they're plagued by short-term thinking and find themselves stuck on the constant hamster wheel of learning and seeing no results. This is why I am making this video, to offer you that red pill to wake you up from the nonsense that these marketers have manipulated you into believing. So you're probably wondering, Dylan, how do I escape this cycle? Well, the simple answer is you have to treat trading like a business. Running a successful business requires a clear vision, defined goals, and a structured plan to achieve profitability. In the same regard, trading demands a well thought out strategy, precise execution, and continual analysis of your performance. Treating your trading and investing like a business is what pushes you over that thin line between achieving consistent success or being shown the way out like the unprofitable majority. Focus on managing your trading like a successful company to achieve the consistency in your trading that you are seeking. This mindset will align you with the mindset and behaviors that all profitable traders exhibit, regardless of their strategy. Let's get right into it. All successful enterprises have a long-term vision and approach. This allows them to test and refine their strategies for optimal results to not only become profitable, but to sustain and even increase the amount of profitability. For a business, this takes time and effort, and the same goes with trading. If you have been brainwashed into thinking trading is going to be get rich quick, then this mindset is the first thing you have to eliminate to have realistic expectations and set yourself up for success. Learning to trade profitably will take months and even years, all depending on the level of guidance and training that you are receiving, combined with your work ethic. As a beginner, and for those looking to improve, you need a clear, defined strategy. Your model must be simple and should be able to fit on the back of a business card. This will provide you with rule-based ideas that give you an edge in the market and significantly increase your probabilities of success in comparison to those with no strategy or plan and are just hoping to get lucky. The key here will be sticking to your strategy and being disciplined enough to cut out the distractions and temptations to want to gravitate to a new strategy every week. There is no secret sauce that is going to give you the results you desire. Though what will give you those results is your ability to filter out the noise and hone in on your own trading development. If you are interested in how to create an effective trading strategy, comment down below and I will share my trading plan and trading model and tips on how to not only create your own strategy, but to make sure you stick to it. Remember to turn on that notification bell to be updated. Another core component of all successful enterprises is the prioritization of reviewing key performance indicators and data metrics. This is what all thriving organizations do to improve and refine their strategy. In trading, this looks like journaling and keeping a detailed log of your trades and investment ideas. By doing this, you can identify what is holding you back, just like I had to do when I was unprofitable and inconsistent. For my journaling, I use both TradeZella and Notion. These platforms give me comprehensive data analytics into my trading and a deep understanding of my psychology and how it's influencing my trading and how I can maximize my results. Through consistent journaling and review, I was able to identify my pain points and what was holding me back from profitability. Keeping detailed logs also helps you identify what is effective for you and what you need to continue going all in on, saving you many unproductive years. Early on, you want to specialize on one strategy and refine it over time. I teach that you want to focus on one model, one market, and one session. By sticking to this long-term approach, it will spare you from falling victim to short-term thinking and impulsive decisions, which is what holds most traders back from reaching their true potential. From my experience with other traders, friends, and those that I have coached, is that this is the biggest determining factor in achieving consistent results. The last point, and this one has been the most influential in my success, which is you can't run a business without a few expenses. It's ridiculous to think that you can trade without incurring expenses, which in this business come in the form of losing transactions. The difference between a bankrupt and a profitable business is how large those expenses are and how well they are managed. The key to sustaining profitability is not by being afraid of losing trades, but by understanding how they are a part of the business. It is how you manage those losses that will determine your net profit at the end of the week, month, or year. This is because every strategy can find winning trades, but not many traders can keep what they have made. Again, keeping in mind the longevity of your business will in turn keep the management of your losses in check because you won't get lost in short-term thinking. If you follow proper risk management and understand that it is the bigger picture that matters, your small losses won't throw you on tilt and you won't go into a spur of revenge trading, undoing all the progress that you've made. Remember, trading for a living and making big money is absolutely possible and attainable. However, the key is to have the right professional mindset and develop the correct habits that will lead you to that end result. Focusing on the money is not what's going to progress you towards your goals. Dial into the process and the money will follow. If you think like the losing crowd, you can't expect different results. You have to think differently if you want different. Thanks for watching. I hope this one was insightful and that you leave today with knowledge that you can immediately implement for real results in your trading. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below what more you would like to see from us. We have a lot planned for this channel moving forward, and your responses will help us in delivering more of what traders like you need to hear. Thanks again, and remember to turn on the notification bell to be updated for future videos. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.